the conversation between the executive, and I am going to lead from the front in that conversation so that we can deal with a monster that is destroying our country, so that we can deal with those, the corrupt, who go to courts. Once they have been investigated, once they know they are going to be charged, they run to court, obtain orders that they cannot be charged for crimes they have committed, so that we can deal with those who benefit from the status quo, the vested interest, who have taken our health hostage, who do not want us to change the system, to make it transparent, to make it possible for every Kenyan to access health. They want to hold the system hostage by going to bribe judicial officers, hire expensive lawyers, and sabotage our universal health coverage. We are going to have that conversation. We are going to have a conversation about the people who want the status quo in our housing program. The people who want citizens to continue paying rent in their estates. That's why they are sabotaging this housing program, because it is going to create more home owners and more Kenyans. Even mama mboga na bodaboda watakuwa na nafasi ya kuwa na nyumba katika Kenya hii. So, good people, that conversation I announced on 2nd of this year, I am happy that the judiciary is willing for us to have that conversation. I am confident that the legislature is willing, and we are going to have that conversation. I am going to lead from the front.